throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
Hello guys and welcome. Today we are going to do a thing which is never done on YouTube. Today we are going to review a sandal which is a Paragon Stimulus edition. So before reviewing them we have to unbox this thing. On the box talking, it is made from a cardboard and it has so much branding of Paragon Stimulus along with the image of HRX you can see on the box, and the price quoted here on the box is 550 rupees, which is a mid-budget range you can it's in my opinion. So let's just unbox this box. You get a single flip to unbox this box like this, you can see, and I'm just unboxing the box. And here you go, here you can see the pair of sandals is nicely synchronized in the box. So getting off with the first pair, you can see I'm just getting it, and it comes very lightweight and handy. So it feels very lightweight, and the cushion is very large, I think, compared to other models of sandals on the market right now. So you can see it comes with 3 straps. Talking for the other pair, same here, a single pack for unboxing. You can see, just move to this side. We also get three straps on this one also. So a single strap for front side, second strap for middle, and third strap for back side, you can see, along with the tag of Paragon Stimulus, which contains some literature like elegant design, lightweight and durable. So let's jump off on the sandals right now. Okay, here you go. Here I have the 2 sandals. Here you can see this is the side look of the sandals. You can see it looks very classy and premium to your feet, or it's because it fits very right to your feet. It's very perfect place, and it feels also comfortable for kids as well as for young people who wants everyday sandals or allows it for sports. It is also usable for sports because it has some durable strap material. I can feel it. You have to also feel it for judging it. So this materials on the strap is used is very durable. So the rubber material downside, the rubber material you can see is nicely packaged with the strap. So talking on the front side, you get a front bump which is protection for your front side of your fingers. And then talking on the sideways, you also get a plastic coating for your straps to just pack them to the sandals. And after the back side, you can see there is nothing for comparison of back side instead of that strap. On the sideways you get the same thing. The material is very good. You can see it's worth of the money you're giving to the sandal. It's really worth. You can actually feel it, and the cushioning, it's very hard and it's very comfortable when you wear it. It's not as slippery like other sandals. It has a very good traction texture on it. And then you get the other pair, same as I showed the back before pair. You can see the front coating is also, and also they have connected the front the down padding to front coating. And yes, here you go, here are the 2 sandals. So, and I'm giving you this. Here you go, the Stimulus tag on the middle strap is looking very good, and the durability of sandals is also very good. So if you are going to buy a sandal like this, you should check them out. Hope you guys like today's video. If you, please give it a thumbs up, and for more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.